Hi, my name is Jacqueline Latina. I'm a cardiology fellow at Johns Hopkins. Here with me today, I have Dr. Garima Sharma, who is an assistant professor of cardiology at Johns Hopkins, and she is the incoming governor-elect for Maryland ACC. Congratulations. My question for you today is, why should fellows attend the Women in Cardiology Leadership Conference that's during the legislative conference?
Thank you, Jackie. It is a conference for all kinds of fellows, men and women, and you don't really have to, we don't really differentiate. It's a really great conference talking about leadership skills, professionalism, contract negotiations, basically everything that you do not learn in fellowship. You spend a lot of time learning cardiology, but very little time actually learning about the practice of cardiology, and that's why it ties really well with the Leadership Academy and the Legislative Conference. And I think I encourage all of the fellows to definitely come to this.
We hope to see more of you in 2020.